FHIR standardized how health data is structured. MCP standardized how AI connects to tools. Nobody standardized the guardrails in between. This does. Today, AI agents are calling FHIR servers directly. Names, dates of birth, medical record numbers, addresses, phone numbers, straight into the model's context window. Three things break. PHI leaks. Agents write to charts with no human in the loop. And when something goes wrong, there is no trail to follow. HealthClaw is a vendor-neutral guardrail proxy. It sits between any AI agent and any FHIR server. Your agent talks to our MCP server. The MCP server talks to the guardrail proxy. The proxy talks to the FHIR system, HAPI, Epic, Medplum, or your own. Every single request, read, write, search, passes through 6 independent guardrails before it ever touches your clinical data. Guardrail 1, PHI redaction. The agent never sees the raw record. Names truncated to initials. Birth dates collapsed to a year. Identifiers masked. Addresses stripped. Phone numbers last 4 only. 5 fields sanitized on every read. Every response carries an auto-injected medical disclaimer. Every read writes an immutable audit event. Who asked, what they got, when, and which fields were redacted. Guardrail 2, writes. An agent tries to create a condition. By default, 428, blocked. To write, the agent has to mint a step-up token. HMAC SHA-256 signature. 5-minute lifetime. Scope to the action. Even with the token, the proxy stops again and surfaces the proposed diff to a human. The clinician sees what is about to change and approves or rejects. Only when both checks pass does the write commit, with full audit attribution to the agent and the human who confirmed. Guardrail 3, access control. We use the FHIR R6 permission resource and its evaluate operation. Default deny. If no permit rule matches, the call fails, with a reason the agent can read. Once an administrator creates a rule, the same call returns permit with the rule name, and every request is scoped to a tenant. Cross-tenant access is structurally blocked at the proxy layer. Guardrail 4, compiled truth. Every other tool shows you data. HealthClaw shows you the trail. Call compiled truth on any resource and you get 4 things. The current redacted record, its curation state, the quality score, and the full provenance timeline, newest first. Who imported it, who curated it, which agent read it, when the patient approved the fix. Append only, no silent edits. When something looks wrong, you can prove exactly how it got that way. Curator is our patient-owned data quality skill. It checks every imported resource against live terminology services, the NLM tables, RxNav, the public HL7 FHIR terminology server. Issues come back in plain language, deprecated code system, missing required field, display name does not match the canonical term, each one with a suggested fix and a source. The patient, not a developer, not a vendor, approves the fix. Every change creates a linked provenance recording who, what, and why. In version 1.3, we shipped wearables. 8 devices, Garmin, Aura, Polar, Suunto, Whoop, Fitbit, Strava Ultrahuman, piped through an open wearables sidecar. The sidecar handles per provider OAuth. HealthClaw handles the FHIR mapping. A raw heart rate reading lands as a proper FHIR observation, LOINC-coded, UQM quantified, device attributed, provenance stamped, and it flows through the same guardrail stack as everything else. 16 MCP tools, reads, writes, validation, evaluation, terminology checks, compiled truth, wearables sync. 2 Claude plugin commands, one to add the marketplace, one to install, and your agent has a clinical copilot. 10-second setup, 288 tests, and the Smart Health Connect companion plugin adds 6 patient-facing skills on top. HealthClaw, the security layer between AI agents and clinical data, built on MCP, speaks A2A, native to FHIR, open source, healthclaw.io.